After watching this story video about the listening walk, we have learned that sounds are everywhere. It can be inside or outside. Have you ever tried to just sit still and listen? If yes, what are the sounds that you can hear? Can you name each one of them? There are a lot of things that can make sounds, just like the musical instruments. Have you tried to play any kind of instrument? If yes, can you name them? Now, we are going to make a DIY musical instrument that is very easy and convenient to do. We only need the following materials. First, you need to cover one part of the tissue roll with a paper and put a tape or rubber band around it. Next, put some green beans in it. After placing the beans inside, cover the top part of the tissue roll with a paper and put a tape or rubber band around to seal it. Lastly, to make your piece more catchy, you can add some decorative materials like cut-out shapes. Viola, you have your DIY shakers!